In this question, you have to identify an important characteristic that hemichordates share with chordates. Option A, ventral tubular nerve cord. This is incorrect because hemichordates do not have a ventral tubular nerve cord. Instead, they possess a dorsal nerve cord, which is very similar to chordates. Option B, pharynx with gill slits. Now, both hemichordates and chordates share the presence of pharyngeal gill slits. And these gill slits are the openings in the pharynx that allows water to pass through, thus helping in filter feeding as well as respiration. Hence, it is the correct option. Option C, pharynx without gill slits. It is incorrect because hemichordates have gill slits in the pharynx. Option D, absence of notochord. Now, while hemichordates lack a true notochord, which is a defining feature of the chordates, but they possess a structure which is known as stomochord, which is somewhat similar, but it is not homologous to notochord. Hence, it is incorrect.